Hello, good afternoon, guys. So this is my presentation regarding mini assignment for the prompt engineering class. Me myself, Yagnesh Brahmbhatt. I am from Toronto campus. So I would like to start my presentation. So this screen which you are seeing right now is of GitHub. So my GitHub includes a README file. I'll be posting my. I'll be adding files. Let me add. Um, So as you can see, there is a new file for run GPT-2. I forgot to put it in the directory. So I will start with the README file. So this is an introduction to setting up llama 3, which is Olama's LLM. So these are the basic system requirements. So let's just start the installation process. So for that, you need to clone the library from the GitHub. So this is the code for that. And if you don't want to do that, you can either download it from directly in the files. So you can click this link below and just you can download it. So this will be the screen after finishing the installation process. Then you'll have to simply run the script with python setup.py. It will show up. It will start installing in the your local machine. Now to verify it, just write it olama, so it will show up this file. So this file includes, basically it includes what are the tags of the olama, like serve, create, show, run. Then to get started with, you'll have to write Olama run llama 3, and that's it. You can ask any questions to that. So in this picture, I have asked what is the capital of Toronto, but as we know, we don't have any capital. So it has pretty muchly written that Toronto is actually the largest city in Canada, but it's not the capital. So it's pretty good working in my local system. And to verify that, you can also write the curl command, which is curl http and this server detail. So it will pop up in your web browser. So it is running like this. As you can see, Olama is running. Now we'll switch to introduction to set up the GPT-Neo, which is an open source implementation. So it is also pretty much similar installation guide. You just need to uh, install the repo from Git directory, and your repo will be looking like something like this. So git clone, GitHub library, and then it will start uh, getting installed in your system. Then what you can do is, in this case, we'll have to create a Python file. So I have created a Python file, which is this one. So in this, it shows that it will give a prompt like Alice, how are you? How have you been lately? So it will generate the conversation according to it via its tokens. So I've used this script and executed it. And if you will just write Python run GPT-2 and like whatever is your file name, you'll see uh, the result something like this. So if you wanna, let me show my file result. So yeah, something like this is the file results that, yeah, Alice wide open she looked at him with confused expression. So yeah, it is an auto-generated file. So yeah, this was pretty much the GPT-Neo installation and some interaction with both of the LLMs. Personally, I feel like I liked more of like Olama. It was pretty easy to install and it just directly gave us the result like this. So I end my presentations by saying in conclusion that Olama 3 is a good LLM rather than GPT-Neo 2. Okay, thank you so much, guys.